what real agate stone looks like. And I'm going to try to make coasters out of the art resin that look like this. I'm going to put on these gloves that came with the art resin kit. And I've already taken my resin and hardener, and equal parts hardener, equal parts resin, and I started mixing. And it says that you should mix for a good 3 minutes, and you can see mine's looking kind of pearly because I added in, I shook this really well, this resin tint, and I added in about 10 drops of this metallic white. So I'm gonna start with the metallic white, and I'm just mixing to make sure I've got it mixed well enough, because it said a good 3 minutes, so I'm just gonna mix it a little longer. So that's like the center of the geode, and then I'm gonna put some of these little blue glass shards. Can you see that? Yeah. So as if this is the center of the geode. Look how beautiful. These are actual glass shards. So these aren't like, what's it called? Just what are they called? Sprinkles or what am I? Sparkles, thank you. My daughter's here. Sparkles. These aren't just sparkles. These are actually cut glass. That's why they're so shiny. The company is Ice Resin. And the color I'm using here is called Ocean. This is called Black Sea, and this is a mica powder, Black Sea. I'm going to use that for my outer darker ring. And then I'm going to use, I think, pistachio for beside it. So it's kind of a darker teal and a lighter mintier teal. Ooh, I love that. I really, really love how that looks. I think when I first started, I was gonna put this one in the middle, wasn't I? I changed my mind. And I do like it on the outside here. Just gonna keep pouring. Because again, this one is quite big and we need to fill it. Pour this back. Kind of like that. That's kind of cool. Just add some gold sparkles. Woo! I'm gonna need to move this around, I think. Because that's a lot of gold sparkles. Let's see if we just kind of swirl it. Yeah, I'm liking that. That looks cool. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a close-up before they are fully dry. So this is what the two blue ones look like. And then this one, I swirled in that gold sparkle, and I had the bronze and the lighter pink, and then those sparkles in the center are super sparkly. So I ended up using the torch. After the butane dissipated, I just tried it, and look at that, it really got the bubbles out. I was really quick with it, like super fast, because this is a silicone mold and I didn't want to get the flame near it. So mostly in the centers, very quickly around the edges, and I'm really happy with the results. So this is the one side. I think it came out really lovely. It looks like a geode to me. That's the back side, and then this is the front side. I really like how this one looks. They're not fully hard yet. I think they still need to sit for a bit longer. So I'm gonna just put it back in the mold. And here's the bigger one here. I think that turned out pretty awesome. You can see it looks like a geode. And again, this is my first time, so I'm just experimenting, but I'm pretty pleased. I think I might try to, like, next time use maybe a few more colors, and hopefully they don't bleed into each other as much. But look at the back side of this one. It has this cool, that looks like rocks, that effect right there. And then that's the other side. So I like both of those. And then these are the ones my kids made. My older daughter made this one, and she was trying to make it kind of look like a heart in the center, which I think is really sweet. So they use stars. So this one is not really a geode, but it still kind of looks like one, but obviously the geode would not have star sprinkles in it. Very nice. And then this is my 7-year-old. So she used a lot of sparkles. She got a little disappointed because this color here looked like more of a bluish silver, and it turned into be more of a gray look. So when you're playing with the mica powders, sometimes they come out differently than you expect. But the back looks pretty cool with all those stars going along the rim. And there's the front. And there it is in the sunshine. Just beautiful. And one optional final step that you can do is use like a gold leaf paint. The one I have is called Mayan Gold by Treasure Gold. And so what I'm using is just a fine brush. I think this will be the 4th coat on this one, and I think that will be good. And I will show you. And there they are. So there they are, finished with the gold trim on the side. And you've got 2 coasters. 2 matching coasters.